is up, YouTube? Life has been more crazy than normal here lately. So for the last couple months now, coming up on 3 months, 4 months, we've been just crazy busy. I just wanted to put this little clip in real quick. I did a super clean giveaway on my last video, which has been quite some time now. I think I was supposed to pick a winner at the end of May, so I apologize for that, but life has been super busy. After this giveaway part, I'm going to show you why life has been so busy, and hopefully you'll understand. But thanks for watching, and good luck for those that entered into the contest. And I'm getting ready to pick a winner right now, so let me show you how I'm going to do that. So you can see on my screen I've got a spreadsheet here. I entered some random names into it, and there's this formula that will do a random pick out of those names. So I'm going to copy that formula, and I can paste this into any cell and it'll pick a name. Delete it, do it again, delete it, do it again, delete it. So it will pick a different name out of the list. It's random. You can see up here it uses a function called rand between, and then it points it to column A. So it's basically just going to pick anything out of column A, choose one of them randomly, and that will be the winner. Okay, so I've created a second sheet here. These are the folks that actually commented on the video, on my video for the giveaway. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to give it a paste, and Tyler Miller was the winner. So congratulations, Tyler. I will reach out to you to get your contact information, and Super Clean will email the package directly to you. So thanks a lot for those of you that commented. Congrats again to Tyler, and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're over here actually in Illinois today. We drove over here this morning, had a nice 4-hour drive, 4.5-hour drive. Reason being, we have a new member of the fleet, which is also a new business venture. You've heard me talk a lot about our building that we have, and I spent a lot of time there, but the building itself is actually a restaurant. It used to be, and is going to be again, but there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. So in the meantime, we decided to speed things up a little bit and buy a food truck. So that's what we're doing over here today. Bought this sweet unit. It's a 2002 Freightliner. Has a 24 valve Cummins Allison transmission, all set up with the kitchen. Ready to cook, ready to serve. It's all fresh and brand new, like the guy just built it. Didn't even use it other than friends and family. And the dude's moving almost cross country, moving to Reno. So instead of taking it with him, he decided to sell it and build him a new one when he gets there. So this is the new unit on our first fuel stop here. So a little scary what that's going to end up with, but anyway, that's what we're doing. So you'll probably see some more of this on the channel. This video I just kind of wanted to vlog a little bit, show you what we're doing, and we'll show you kind of as we get it set up and get it open hopefully really soon, and keep you all up to date, take you along on the ride with us. Well, guys, I didn't didn't have any intention of this being a mechanical video, but Felicia, the food truck, had other ideas, so she's leaking fuel on us, so we stopped to check it out and see what's going on. Major leak. It's leaking bad. See it, I just don't know what it is. It's a line. Got a line leaking. I don't think it's loose though. I think it's
correct.
Yeah, I think it's where the line comes out of the fitting part. It's really leaking. Well guys, didn't get it fixed unfortunately. There's a fuel line in the front of the fuel pump, the injection pump. I believe it's a return line where the banjo's crimped onto the line is just spraying fuel, so nothing I can do about it now. We're about an hour from home. Just gonna try to make it home, order a new line, and we'll get her fixed up. Well guys, despite the major fuel leak, we made it home. Used a lot of fuel, a lot more than it should have, but we were probably dumping out at least an equal amount as what we were burning, if not more. But pulling into the house now. Tomorrow I will get some super clean and clean off the engine serial number plate, the data plate, and I should say I will get some super clean and clean off the data plate on the engine so that I can get the serial number off of it, and then I can get online and look up a part for that line that's leaking and try to get this thing fixed up. So I'll come back with you tomorrow and continue this video from there, and then show you again once I get the line, and we'll see. I'll figure out as I go along what's going to end up in this video, but anyway, that's it for tonight. Alright guys, back out here at the food truck today. As I showed you yesterday, it's got a fuel leak, so I'm gonna try take some super clean to it and clean off that data plate so that I can look up the part. So I don't know if I really mentioned in the past before, but I actually know a guy that works for Cummins. So I know a guy works for Cummins. So I think if I can get the engine serial number, that guy that I know that works for Cummins can probably get online and look up the part and get it ordered and get this fuel leaks fixed, because it's dumping a ton of fuel on the ground. It's a lot, so we'll gotta get her fixed. So I'm gonna super clean this down and try to get the data plate visible, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, back here with the food truck today. I did finally get the line for it. Unfortunately, that guy I know that works for Cummins didn't do me much good. I ended up just ordering it on eBay. So I'm going to try to get this put on today. I'm going to take this engine cover back and should be able to get to the back of it there. The back of it's just right down there. And then the front of it will go back through the left front fender like we were the other day. So I'll see if we can get this thing changed out and try to get this thing cleaned up, and we're getting pretty close to hopefully being able to get it open pretty soon here. I don't know how well you guys can see there, but it's this banjo bolt right here that holds the front of that on. It's the drain line that comes out of the head of the pump, so the extra that doesn't go from the pump out to the injectors goes through this line that's leaking back to that fitting at the back of the head and returns back into the tank. So just working on getting this banjo bolt out, and that'll free it up from the pump end, and then there's a little bracket that holds it onto the head and then the fitting back at the back. Alright guys, I got that loose. Wasn't too bad. It's a 19mm bolt, and got it loosened up and then was able to turn it out by hand, so not that big of a deal. I'm going to move on back to the next one. So you can see right up there is the one that holds it onto the, it's like the intake manifold part that's cast into the head. Looks like a 10mm bolt. Let's see if I can get on that and get that sucker loose. Got my 10mm socket and ratchet on there. Got that bolt out. The line's basically free now. Just hooked into that T back there in the back of the head. Let's get inside and try to get that one. Alright guys, I'm going to unplug that coolant temp sensor. Right here is the end of the line. So we just got to get that, it's like a compression fitting. Just got to get that loose and we'll be ready to pull it off and stick the new one on. Alright guys, I had to run down and see my good buddy Stu Pedasso and grab a couple of line wrenches. I was able to get him off of there. So the line's free now. Just gotta pull it out of there and fish the new one in and hook it back up. I'm going to show you guys this real quick. These lines are different, especially see at that end how they're bent completely different. But if you kind of line up those banjos, it looks like it'll still fit. It's just a redesign that put a more of a bend on that end. So I'm going to try to stick him on there. The banjo bolt, I probably should have got some new seals for it, but I didn't. But these look fine. I don't think we should have any problems with those, but even if I do, it's not that big a deal to get some and replace them. So we're just going to go with these for now. Alright guys, that's going to do it. I got the new line put on. Got it on the pump there. Made sure to get the the seals on the banjo bolt in place. Got it bolted to the head and then got it hooked into the T back there. See him down there, the only shiny part on it. So we're gonna start it up, make sure everything's okay, probably give it a wash, and hopefully be ready to open this thing real soon. Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna fire it up and make sure we don't have any leaks. We got wipers. Alright guys, well, we got the fuel line fixed up on the fuel truck, put the new line on, everything seemed to be doing good. We drove it into town and gave it a bath quickly in the car wash and took a little spin around. Seemed to be doing good. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this content. I will try to at least mention how it's going in future videos and let you know, we got it open and how it's going, that kind of thing. So again, thanks for watching. And remember, you never lose, either you win or you learn.